วัสดีค่ะ
Hey guys, welcome back. Another vlog, just cruising around the streets of Hua Hin on a Friday afternoon. It's been raining all night. Yeah, it's overcast still. So we'll have a look. See what we can find today. Down there leads to the beach. Markets, well, not markets, just little stalls on each side. It goes for about 50 metres. You get everything you want, towels, food, dresses, all that stuff. It's pretty cool. Cafe Amazon over there. HOC, House of Croissants. That's nice. I had breakfast there the other day. And it's pretty cheap too. For a westernised sort of cafe. It was bloody beautiful. Dogs are going off. Gee, at this dude getting on the bike. Oh God, this will be interesting. Oh, I've got to get this. This will be funny. Off he goes. He made it. He was alright. That's the beach down there. Walk along the street. I passed the here this morning at lunchtime. Pizza Roberto. It was nice. I must say I was hungover as fuck. But what did I have? I had bolognese pasta with penne pasta. It was friggin' beautiful. Oh, hitting the spot made me feel a lot better too, I'll tell you right now. Down here. Mai Tai restaurant, cocktail bar, always packed. Packed to the brim as per usual, obviously a busy joint. Currency exchange just on the left. They're everywhere as well. Busy bee restaurants. Beer house. Haven't been there. It's like the restaurant, I suppose. Like the Hilton. I don't know if it's part of the Hilton or not, I'm not sure. No one there. Man, it looks like it's going to piss down. Massage. Everywhere. Soi Bintabaht. Go back down there in a minute, have a look. Stay with us. Then go down there. Help me. Big joint. Jeez, that's like Kevin Bartlett. Ex-Brisbane champ.
Round in time on the last quarter. This is Bartlett. He's kicked 6 already. He could go all the way and go for 7 and equal the grand final record, and he's done it.
KB, 400 gamer. He's going to bucket down. You can see it, you can smell it in the air. Still warm though, still at 28, 29 degrees. Alright, there we go, Soi Bintabaht. Probably get all that, I would say. Sweaty cup. There's KB again. Came in here last night, I think we were the last to leave. All the bloody gates were shutting on all the places. It's very quiet at the moment. Not many people around. Last night, cat, bar and garden. Great stuff there. Met the owner, of course. There's very good. Oh, food smells good. Food smells good. Didn't get out of lines. How good's that? Actually got to walk through nice and peacefully for once. Obviously this place comes alive late at night. Swaddy Cup! Done. So what we'll do, if I walk down here, bloody hell, man, bloody shorts keep falling down. Need a belt. A few bars down there. That's the Anshan Hotel. That's a good joint, man. Like it. It's close to everything. Rooms are pretty good. Alright, now we're just outside the Hua Hin old train station, just about 2 or 3 minutes from where we just were. Have a look at it. It looks bloody awesome, man. Absolutely brilliant. Fantastic architecture on this. Down that way, about 2 minutes on the left, is Soi 80. Great little spot that is. Let's go and have a look inside and see what this train station has to offer. It certainly looks fantastic from the outside anyway, that's for sure. Beautiful colours. Looks like there's some pretty good greenery and plants and so forth in there. There's the main road just down there to the right, or straight down there. The little kids playing on the tracks, mate. It's Hua Hin main road down there. It's only about 5 minutes from where everything is. It's a pretty cool place. Oh, a golf course over there. Interesting. There's Hua Hin station. The main platform, no kiddies. Hopefully no train comes through and skittles you. In fact, I don't think it's running anyway. It's the old platform up here. You see through there? Or not? Not really. If I go over like that, no better. That's where all the tickets used to be. Used to buy all your tickets from. Not bad at all. I think they're going to keep maintaining it. There's little cleaners and stuff here and sweeping away and looking after the gardens. Look at those trees, man. Whoa. Ah, nice. Very nice. And if you look about 50 metres down there, that's the Mew station on the right. It is huge. We'll go down and have a look at that in a sec. Oh, #1 coffee shop. Still open? Yeah, it looks like it. Nice little fish pond there. I think there's some goldfish in there. There is. You can see them. I don't know if you can see the reflection in the water. Special express train arriving. Looks like I've just missed it. That's obviously coming from the new station. So we'll go down and have a quick look at that. And this is awesome, because that's what you do in Thailand, you just cross the tracks. Like there's nothing else. No worries in the world. Entrance is down this way. Well, remember when Vlogging a Dead Horse did a vlog on this, and he was given the gardeners grief about the way they were planting the grass along here. Well, there's an update. It's probably been about 2 months later, and it's actually taken off all right. Unless they've redone it, of course. But it's actually taken off really well. Oh, I love it. Love Vlogging a Dead Horse. He's a legend, man. So funny. Love how honest he is, man. And just stirs the pot a bit. It's brilliant. Check this joint out, man. Fuck. Here we go, coming up to the main entrance. Hua Hin Station. That bad boy. There's a ticketing office. This is a timetable. When the trains go out, it's at Bangkok, Kantang, Suratani. I don't know if you can see that or not. You can pause it if you like. I'll keep it there for a couple of seconds for you. There's trains that go direct and all that type of thing, so they're slightly quicker but not too much quicker. Express trains. And this is a big open area. There's seating there, they're cool. Very cool. So, I don't even know if you're allowed to go up. I'm not sure. Two closed off. This lady mopping the floors. Good on them. Good work. I used to do cleaning like that back in the day. Alright, well that's the end down there. I'm not allowed to go up, it's all blocked off. I don't know if I can actually get up a level to the actual platform. Let's go have a look, see if I can. Why would they do that, do you think? Oh, I see, it's a lift that goes up. Ah, okay. Ah, I see. Sorry, Cup. You have to buy a ticket to go up? You have to get? No. Oh, so can't, okay, that's okay, no problem. Can I just have a quick look? Okay? Stop and go. Just here? Oh, can I go through there or not? No, okay, okay. Cup and cup. Alright, so you go up onto platform 2, upstairs, through there on the lift, and away you go. Cup and cup, thank you. Alright, well, looks like we're not looking at the platform, but unless I buy a ticket, but I'm a tight ass. What's the point of buying a ticket? Just to go out and have a look. Well, I suppose I could, but nah. Okay. Well, guys, that's all I can give you at the moment. Jeez, I was over there last night. Hua Hin Soi 80 Walking Street Bar. Oh my lord. That was a night to remember. Nice look. Just goes for miles and miles, this station and the tracks. Very good, and there's the wind now playing up. All right, I'll leave it here, guys, I think. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. That was Hua Hin's new train station and the old train station. All right, bye for now.